Now this one comes from a web work problem. It's actually more of a calculus problem than a pre-calculus problem. And another way of defining the natural logarithmic function is that if you have the function y equals 1 over x, and you're looking at the area starting at from position we're starting at 1 and going to a certain number, the area of that, contained by the function y equals 1 over x, the x-axis, and the two constraints of 1 and whatever the final number is. That is defined as being, that area is defined as being the natural log of the second number. So for instance here, when I have 1 over x is that red graph. I'm starting at 1 going to 3.1. I'm looking for the area of that region right there. That's just going to be the natural log of 3.1. Now you can leave it like that. And I believe even in web work, if you uh, uh, actually just give it that name, natural log 3.1 or ln 3.1, that's acceptable. If you want to put the decimal version in, make sure you use a lot of decimal places. I typically try to always type in, like if it's going to be something I have to round off, or I know it's going to be an irrational solution, I'll usually leave it as natural log 3.1 and let WebWork worry about the number of decimal places needed, and it'll account for that itself. So. In a very similar question, it says, okay, the area of the shaded region in the graph below is exactly 0.84 square units. Find the value of C. So we go from 1 to C down there. 0.84 is the area, so I know that the natural log of C is 0.84, which means that C is going to be e to the 0.84 power, which is about 2.3164.